Hi everyone, how's everyone doing tonight? So guys, I figure we do an unboxing from Amazon, and I believe we have 4 beautiful and fun paintings. The first one, they call it Lavender White Flowers, and it's absolutely gorgeous, guys. It is a 30 by 40 centimeters, and it's got 26 colors, so that's a lot of colors. And what else? And it's $4.39. Okay, so I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. It's very, very clear. So you have, it looks like, I'm not sure if it's in this takes place in a shed or a barn. It's very decorative. This is like a very pretty watering can. And then you've got beautiful flowers. And then you have a little birdie sitting right there on the watering can. And let's see what else. And then you have a little birdhouse. Then you have like a little basket with little things in there. And then of course you have the some tools. And I love the wood paneling in the background. So let me bring it up so you can see it. Oh gosh, I can hear my husband laughing from up here. All right, so this comes with a pen tray, comfort grip, that's for the pen, and some wax. And these are the colors. Okay, so let's look at some of the colors. Sorry about the noise. I don't know why they do this now. Instead of putting them all in one, they put them in 2. So I've got to do it twice. Sorry. Okay, let's put that over there. Okay, let's see. And let's bring this a little closer so you can see the colors a little better. All right, so we got purple. This is like a mustard yellow. Some like a royal blue. Some brown. This is like a minty color. Some brown. Ooh, this is very pretty. This must be for the lavender flowers. And look at these colors, guys. These are the colors that I love. Those green, blues, sort of like sage. So pretty. And then you have this very pretty green. This is like a purple. This is like a coral, or more like a salmon. More purples, more orange, brown, and white. Okay. And what's on this side? More of the colors that I like. You guys know I love greens and blues. And this is sort of like a cocoa, very, very light cocoa. That's probably for the background. You got purple, I believe this is black, and a peachy color, and another very pretty blue-green color. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. All right. So this is perfect also for now. So pretty. All right, so let's move this one aside. Is it good there? Let's put it over here so it won't be in the way. All right, the next one is just completely adorable. And it's oh my gosh, a giraffe. But look at how cute this giraffe is. Okay, now we can push this back. Look at how cute she is, guys. She's so pretty. She's a 30 by 40 centimeters. She's got 25 colors, and she's $7.99. Oh God, I love everything about her. She's got these big eyes and these long eyelashes, her big pointy ears, and then she's got like lots of flowers on her head. And then in the background, it's like this very, very pretty purple. And then there's like sparkles, which I see bling there, guys. And of course, more flowers over here. I have no idea what this is. I thought it was a bumblebee, but I have no idea. It could be. But she's surrounded by flowers, and she's very, very happy. And I just love her, the spots, or her spots. Let me bring her up so you can see. Very, very clear. Look at those eyes. Look at that smile. And then that beautiful long neck, and then more flowers. she's so pretty. Okay, so she comes with a pen, comfort grip for the pen, a tray. This one has some bags and some wax. And these are the colors. So we have to open this one. And I apologize again for the noise. Like I said, this is the way they package them now, I guess. Instead of putting them all in one, because they do fit, but they separate them. I guess it's easier to pack them. All right, let's put that aside. Let's look at these beautiful colors. Okay, here you have it's like a very cranberry color. Blues. I believe this is like a dark chocolate. It's a beige. This is like a coral, right, for the flowers. Some brown, some green, and of course I gotta move this up when I show the colors. Pink, more pink, purples, and browns, and a little bit of white. Wow. Just put this here for now. Let's look at these. Okay, blues. This is like a green, like a, no, this is more like a gray. Mauve, blue, gray, like a mustard. That's probably for her spots. Pink, it's like a sage. Ooh, this is a pretty blue. More blues. So this is like that blue purple color, and it's probably for the background because there's 2 bags of this one. She's a cutie pie, guys. I love her. She's just adorable. Okay, so she's Giraffe, and she's $7.99. Okay, the next one. Put this aside. The next one is beautiful also, and this one they call it sea turtle. Okay, now we're gonna push this light back there again. And sea turtle is basically, there's like, I don't know, this looks like wood, and there's bubbles here. So she's maybe at the beach, and then you have starfish and seashells. And I just love the blue color. And this is a 30 by 40. It's got 20 colors. And this one is $7.99. And I think this one's perfect for now, for the summer, because everyone's going away. Okay, let me bring it up. So there you see the big starfish, some shells. There goes the sea turtle. You can't see it here, but this is all bubbles, like water with bubbles, and lots of starfish. Okay, so let's look at the colors on this one. And again, you see, they come in 2s. And they all, by the way, come with I forgot to show you. They all come with this. A pen, some bags, some wax, and tray. All of them. Okay, more beautiful colors for now. So you have lots of blues. This is probably for the starfish. Lots of different blues in this one, guys. I love that. This is probably for the turtle. More blues and greens. Okay. Oops, sorry. And more of the same, basically. This is green. This is probably for the starfish. Blue, beige, salmon, or coral. Just beautiful colors. All right, let's move that one aside. All right, and this one's $7.99 also. All right, and one more. And you guys know I love chairs and flowers. And this one, they only call this one flowers, but I'm naming it flowers on a chair. And what I love about this painting, guys, it has like a watercolor look to it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this one is a 40 by 30 centimeters. It's got 25 colors, and it's $7.99 also. It's gorgeous. So you got the chair, and then of course this is like a vase, and then these beautiful, colorful, all pinks, yellows, purple flowers. And I love the washout look in the background also. It's like wood paneling also. Really, really pretty. I don't know what it is with me and chairs and doors, but I love doors. I love chairs. Oh my gosh. And we all know that I love fairies and anything that has wings. Butterflies, dragonflies, of course, mermaids. Yep. Okay. Look at the colors in this one, guys. The pinks and the purples. Wow. That's pretty. Of course, I've got to bring this out over here again. Just one more time. This is like a dark purple mauve color. And this is like a light pink. Now the pink one, this is like an olive green. Not really, this is like a hunter green. Then you got pink. This is like a gray, more pinks and purples in a minty color. Wow, just gorgeous. Okay, one more. I guess I could start from over here. That's purple, or in the purple family. And you have some black. This is like a peachy color, red, mustard, some grays, more purples, greens, gray, and like a cocoa gray. All right. So let's put that aside. All right, so this one, like I mentioned, this one is called Flowers on a Chair, and it's $7.99. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and the next one is Sea Turtle, $7.99 as well. Let's push that back, all this glare out of the way. And then this one is Giraffe, $7.99 as well. And the last one, this one is Lavender White Flowers, because of course you've got white flowers and you got lavender flowers. And this one is $4.39. So I hope you love them as much as I do, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week. Bye-bye. I guess I'll see you guys on Friday, or maybe Thursday. We'll see. All right, bye.